Hi everyone, on this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem from our UITF investments from the BPI app. In order to know more about UITF investments and the BPI app, don't forget to check these videos.
This is the noisy baby. Say Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is the Panuti. This is the tofu cute baby. The tofu cute baby. Hello, everyone.
Log in tayo sa app. And then, dito sa baba, click Invest. Click View to view all our investments. Subscribe kung gusto nyo kumuha ng UITF investment. Pwede nyo i-check tong video na to for more details. Or click Redeem to redeem our investments. On this case, dito muna tayo sa View. Select your investment account. Dito nyo makikita yung total amount na ininvest nyo. Click Show Details. Makikita nyo yung name, account type, currency, and risk profile. As you can see here sa baba, makikita nyo na nag-invest tayo sa BPI Money Market Fund, BPI Short-Term Fund, and BPI Premium Bond Fund. Yan, dito nyo din makikita yung total of our investment. Tapos, to view your transaction history, click nyo lang to. So, dito nyo malalaman yung details, kung kailan nyo binili, kung ilang units, what was the amount, and currently, ano yung gains or losses nyo. So, click natin tong Redeem. And then, select the fund. Piliin natin si BPI Money Market Fund. Okay, then click Continue. So, based dun sa nakita natin kanina, ang gusto kong i-redeem is the profits that we gained, which is 1,640.59 pesos. Pwede tayo mag-partial redemption or full redemption. Since gusto kong ituloy yung investment ko sa fund na to, yung profits lang yung i-redeem ko. So, the 1,640 profit natin is equivalent to 5.8851 units. And then, click Continue. And then, important in-note na the amount is based on the previous banking day's price and is only indicative. The actual settlement amount may be lower or higher depending on the applicable net asset value per unit or NAV pool. So, etong 1,640.59, pwede pa itong maiba depending on the exact amount when we place our transaction. And then, read the terms and conditions, click the box, and click Confirm. Currently, 9:21 p.m. ngayon of December 18, 2023. So, mag-reflect na siya tomorrow. Okay, OTP. Confirm. And successful. Ngayon is December 19, 2023 and mag-redeem naman tayo during banking hours or when the market is open. It's 10:20 a.m. and ang i-redeem naman natin is BPI Short-Term Fund. So, tandaan natin yung amount. It is 1,275.85 pesos. Yan yung i-redeem natin. By the way, kung mapapansin nyo, if we look at our profit yesterday, so balikan natin yon. On the BPI Short-Term Fund, our profits as of yesterday was 1,270.69. But today, it's 1,275.85 na. Mukhang maganda ang takbo ng market ngayon. Overnight, nag-gain na tayo ng 5 pesos, diba? So, saan ka pa compare it to the interest rate if you place your money on a savings account lang, which is what, 0.025% in a year. Ito, 5 pesos in just one night. Although, syempre, Again, this depends on the market. Pwedeng bumaba, pwedeng tumaas. Okay, so that's a good thing. And then, yun yung i-request natin to redeem. BPI short-term fund naman tayo. Partial redemption, again. Input the amount or the number of units. On this case, amount ang ilalagay natin, which is equivalent to 7.7427 units. Right, again, agree to the terms and conditions, click confirm, OTP, and yan. Your redemption was successful. Titignan natin yung transaction history natin. On December 19, pumasok yung investment redemption natin, which was 1,276.01 pesos and 1,640.84 pesos. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ito yung exact amount na nilagay natin because, as I said earlier, it will really depend on the actual amount or value of our units the time we transacted. And fortunately, mas mataas siya sa expected amount natin. So, ganun lang kadali mag-redeem. Remember that your profits or losses will depend on the movement of the market and the funds that you are invested in. Kaya don't forget to manage your risk and invest wisely. Till the next video, bye!